Now, a titanic battle is looming between impressive importee Supernatural Power and the likes of overseas invitee Nautical star Horse of the Year Funcan Dunn, among others, for the fourth running of the ultra-rich Mouttet Mile on Saturday at Caymanas Park. Denise Walters has a preview of the event, which carries a whopping purse of US $300,000 or approximately 45 million Jamaican dollars.
Philippiani's importee Supernatural Power is a 3-1 anti-posed favorite for the Mouttet Mile. Fiani will be looking to have a second hold on the trophy, having won the inaugural edition with excessive force in 2022. Impressive in victory going a mile, winning the Viceroy Trophy, Supernatural Power has run the fastest time this season going a mile, 1 minute 36 and 2. The 3-year-old grey filly, who will be carrying weight of 112 pounds, will have former champion jockey Dick Cardenas in the saddle.
I think the weight what I have in the race is really light and nice. I love that because everybody have 57 kilos. So I think I have a good chance and have a good horse.
Another highly fancied runner is importee Nautical star, previously trained by Safi Joseph Jr., who is second in the anti-post odds at 72 and will have champion jockey Radish Roman aboard. For consecutive Saturdays, Nautical star has set the track ablaze, clocking 1 minute 25 and 4 for 7 furlongs and 1 minute 12 and 1 for 6, galloping out of the mile chute.
Let's see, he has 126 pounds. He's giving away weight to Legacy Isle, Funcan Dunn, Gravano, Rider of Day, Supernatural Power. He's giving away a lot of weight, so he's going to have to be a really special horse to be able to win this race as far as I'm concerned. But training-wise, he's done everything we've asked, and we expect him to run to his best.
I think Nautical Star is a very good horse, and it comes down to Mouttet and Nautical Star, so I just choose to take Nautical Star because he's moving very beautiful at exercise, and I think he will be the one.
Nunes' other runner is the American-bred T-Stock.
T-Stock has been pretty consistent all year. He ran a really nice mile race behind Supernatural Power when she ran 1:36 and change. He got beat 2 1/4 lengths, so that was a really nice race for him. He has a really good rider in Dan Nelson.
Last year's winner Funcan Dunn, to be ridden by customary jockey Robert Hallideen, is one of 3 runners for trainer Jason DaCosta. The horse of the year, who got in with the withdrawal of several horses, was 4th in the Jamaica Cup behind winner Mojito.
9.5 is not his game. He actually ran better this year than last year. So he ran worse last year and came and gave his best performance in the Mouttet Mile. So we're kind of expecting the same kind of trend this year.
DaCosta will also saddle Dothraki and the Jamaica Cup runner-up Gervano.
Well, Gervano is taking kind of the same track Funcan Dunn did last year, an improving 3-year-old. He's the kind of horse that will run forever, and this race I think will suit him.
Hall of Fame trainer Richard Azan saddles 5-year-old grey horse Mojito, who will be the mount of former champion jockey Dane Dawkins.
First of all, he's fit. If he has the ability, he will be very, very competitive and maybe fighting out the first 4, and that's what I'm hoping. But I can't make any predictions because I'm running against the best horses that have been brought here to run.
Well, you know, horse don't fear the horses. I got a lot of chance and my horse is working very well.
Other fancied runners include last year's runner-up Legacy Isle and Ride All Day. 15 horses are set to face the starter at 4:50 p.m. Meanwhile, Desert of Malibu is the overnight favorite for the Bruce on the Loose Sprint Trophy, going 6.5 furlongs for a purse of $15 million to be run at 3:55 p.m. Run Julie Run is the morning line favorite for the Chairman's Plate, going 9 furlongs and 25 yards at 2:02 p.m. for a purse of $6 million. 11 races are on the card with post time set for 10:10 a.m. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.